Hey guys, so today I've got this amazing product from Oreo Pharma and I bought two gummies for myself. One is for multivitamin and the other is for hair, nail and skin. And we are going to review this product today. We are going to do some unboxing of this product and see what's there inside. So let's get started. So guys, finally we have both this product out from Oreo Pharma. On this hand what you see is multivitamin, on this hand what you see is for hair, skin and nail. Both this product have 30 gummies and I cannot wait to try it out. And to be honest, if we talk about the packaging of this product, don't you guys think it looks so nice? It's so simple and classy. Not only talking about the packaging, if I talk about what's there inside the product. So what I see here is multivitamin. It's enriched with vitamins A, C, biotin, folic acid and selenium. So if you're low on energy, this is the product you need to buy. Let's talk about what's there inside the gummies for hair, skin and nail. So what I can see here, this thing is enriched with biotin, hyaluronic acid and collagen peptides. It helps to rejuvenate your skin, it enhances your nail strength, it repairs your damaged hair, it prevents hair loss. So this is one-step solution to all your hair, nail and skin problems. Both these products are amazing and I cannot wait to try it out. To be honest, I'm gonna try this masterpiece out for the next 15 days and I'm gonna share my review with all of you. So go to Amazon and get your gummies today. Thank you.